Yeah, we're back. Apparently last time they found something on the axle and was arrested, and if I hit like a major bump on the front driver's side, the tire's gonna come right off because it's rusted and it's majorly cracked. Either it's an axle or it's a suspension thing, but if I hit like a big bump on the road with that tire, it's gonna come right off. So we had to order a new piece last week, and it should be here today. So. Doing good. We ordered that piece for the axle or the suspension for the car. I thought you ordered it and it'll be here this week. I thought we made an appointment at 9 o'clock today. Alright, so the part that they ordered is coming from AutoZone. They're gonna literally like walk it right over or drive it right over. Like AutoZone's like right there anyways. But I got an hour, so we're gonna go to, I don't know, go to breakfast, drive around for a bit. And yeah, we'll just see where the day takes us. Yes, one person.
We have white wheat rider sourdough. Do you need any hot sauce? Do you need any honey on the side? Right down there.
So, had breakfast, went for a little drive for a while. It is 11, so more than enough time. Definitely an interesting day, that's for sure. So it turned out that the part that they ordered isn't going to be here until tomorrow. It's all the way in Allentown, which is about a day's drive, and it won't be here till tomorrow morning. So I guess I head back home and schedule the appointment for Friday, which is tomorrow. So, okay, homeward bound.